The Montana Marble Effect is a high-covering spray paint for deceivingly realistic marble effects. The marble effect is formed by very fine-colored paint strands on the surface area of the object. The area to be sprayed is not entirely covered and will stay partially visible. The marble effect spray comes standard with a calligraphy, flat jet cap that can be adjusted to create spray output lines in vertical, horizontal, or variations thereof. Surfaces should be clean and dry. Remove the safety ring by removing the nozzle and turning the can upside down, allowing the ring to fall out. Shake can well for 2 to 3 minutes. During application, protect the object and the surrounding area from spray mist. To achieve realistic marble effects, cock your wrist while applying. Marble effect can be combined with Montana Gold, Montana acrylic markers, and customary acrylic paints. Seal with Montana varnish for further protection. Must be totally cured before sealing. Montana Marble Effect, high-covering spray paint for deceivingly realistic marble effect. Highest spray paint quality made in Germany.